We'll guide you through how to deflicker footage in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project by going to the media pool and dragging your footage into the timeline. Flickering can be really distracting, but there's a great way to fix it using the built-in effects. Head over to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom. Once you're there, look at the top right corner for the effects library. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available effects. What you want to do now is find the Resolve FX tab and click on it. Scroll down or search for the Deflicker effect. When you find it, drag and drop it onto your clip in the timeline and go to Color tab. You will see the effect applied on the node panel. If the flicker is still noticeable, you can tweak the parameters. Just click on the effect in the Resolve FX panel, and you'll see settings like threshold and range. Adjust these sliders until the flicker is reduced to your liking. You might need to experiment a little bit with these values to get the best result, but usually, it's pretty intuitive. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's always a good idea to play back a section of your video to make sure the flicker has been effectively removed. If you need to make further adjustments, you can always go back to the color page and fine-tune the settings. This method is quick and saves a lot of time compared to other manual correction techniques. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.